Racing just is started. We have Delgado. Break quickly at the start. Big Apple is on the outside. Virtual Angel. Pretty Bull in the middle. Barkadahan is down on the inside. Zamit Dancer. Royal Pair comes next. Treasure Act. My Ray Biodata. Gifted Jump. Hurricane Alley. Grand Sensation. While Has Magic is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Big Apple by about 2 lengths. Virtual Angel in second. Moving up now on the outside is Delgado. Barkadahan is racing in fourth. Then comes Treasure Deck, and on the outside, Summit Dancer. Biodata is down on the inside. Pretty Bull comes next. My Ray. Royal Pair moving up. Hurricane Alley. Gifted Jump Has Magic, while Grand Sensation now racing in 14th. Back to the leader, Big Apple. Barkadahan is down on the inside. Moving about the outside is Delgado. Data rushing up down on the inside. Then comes entry number 9, Virtual Angel. Treasure Deck. Zamit Dancer comes next. Then followed by Has Magic. Pretty Bull, Hurricane Alley, My Way. Then comes Royal Pair. And they are now entering the home stretch. Bar Kadahan